Now this is Lucky. Hi, Lucky. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. You're not going to put him in with the other puppies yet till he gets checked by the vet, just to be safe. Isn't he adorable? Aren't you just adorable? Yes, you're going to be the future father of Trixie's babies and Karma's babies and Bailey's babies and who knows who else. Yeah, you're going to be a stud. You're going to be a stud. What are you doing there, silly boy? You want to play with the leaf? Hmm? You play with the pants leg. Oh, I got lots of toys for you to play with. I do. Here's lots of toys. You want some water, sweetie? He was an excellent passenger on a... Took him about 20 hours to get home because the van broke down. He was a good boy.
Eddie?
Yeah?